Ever tried to send money to a friend using Zelle but couldn't figure out how to do it with your Monzo account? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Monzo and Zelle. We'll explore what Zelle actually is, how it works, and most importantly, whether or not you can use Zelle with your Monzo account. We'll also look at some alternative ways to send money quickly and easily, so you can get your cash where it needs to go without any hassle. So, if you're curious about the Monzo-Zelle connection and want to learn about the best ways to send money, stick around, this video is for you. Now, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Zelle? Zelle is a super popular peer-to-peer payment service. It's basically like a digital version of handing cash to a friend. You can easily send money to anyone with an email address or US mobile phone number, and the funds usually arrive within minutes. It's incredibly convenient for splitting bills on a night out, sending rent to your roommates, or quickly repaying a loan. But here's the burning question: can you use Zelle with your Monzo account? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. Monzo doesn't currently support Zelle directly. This might seem disappointing, but don't worry. There are still plenty of ways to send money quickly and easily with your Monzo account. Let's explore some of the best alternatives. 1. Monzo's in-app transfers. This is probably the easiest and most straightforward option. Monzo allows you to easily send money to other Monzo users directly within the app. Simply find the recipient in your contacts, enter the amount, and hit send. It's that simple. Show a quick screen recording demonstrating how to send money within the Monzo app. 2. Bank transfers. If you're sending money to someone with a different bank, you can always initiate a traditional bank transfer. Monzo makes it easy to set up bank transfers to other accounts. Just enter the recipient's account details, and the funds will be transferred within a few business days. Show a brief visual explaining the bank transfer process. 3. Apple Pay or Google Pay. If you're sending money to someone who also uses Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can often send money directly through those platforms. This is usually a very quick and easy process, and the funds are often transferred instantly. 4. Other P2P services. There are plenty of other peer-to-peer payment services available, such as PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App. While Monzo doesn't directly integrate with Zelle, you can likely use these other services to send money to friends and family quickly and easily. Now, let's talk about some of the key benefits of using these alternative methods. Security. Monzo prioritizes security and employs robust measures to protect your funds. Speed. Most of these methods offer fast transfer times, ensuring your money reaches its destination quickly. Convenience. Sending money through the Monzo app or using other popular P2P services is incredibly user-friendly and can be done in just a few taps. Transition to a slightly more serious tone. While Monzo doesn't currently support Zelle, it's important to remember that Monzo continues to evolve and improve its services. It's always a good idea to check the Monzo app and website for any updates or new features. They may introduce Zelle support in the future, so keep an eye out for any announcements. So, there you have it. While you can't directly use Zelle with your Monzo account, there are plenty of other fantastic ways to send money quickly and easily. Whether you choose to use Monzo's in-app transfers, bank transfers, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or other P2P services, you'll have no trouble getting your funds where they need to go. End with a final, upbeat thought. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.